Hi guys, welcome to Deactivate channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to stop call divert in any phone. So let's go to call dial option, this one, and press star 21 then followed your phone number with area code like this 8801. Now just click on hash. Now if you click on this, if you click on call option or call this number, your phone will be diverted to that specific number. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this call divert option or stop this call divert. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.